Back on deck with the trade table? You know I've got you covered. Want to cool down fast without dealing with expensive central air? A window AC unit is the perfect solution. Whether you're beating the summer heat or just need a little extra cooling power, installing one is quick and easy, when you know how to do it right. In this step-by-step guide, I'll show you exactly how to install a window AC unit safely and efficiently so you can stay cool and comfortable in no time. Step 1. Check your window and gather supplies. Before you even buy an AC unit, make sure your window is strong and sturdy. No cracks or rotting wood. Measure your window opening to ensure a perfect fit, and grab the right tools: a screwdriver, measuring tape, power drill, and safety gloves. Pro tip: consider a support bracket. This prevents your AC from stressing the window frame and keeps everything safe and stable. Some brackets are removable, while others permanently attach to the window. Step 2. Install the support bracket if needed. A support bracket helps distribute the weight of the AC unit so your window isn't under too much strain. Just open the window and attach the bracket using the included hardware. Make sure it's level and secure before moving to the next step. Then, slide the accordion side panels onto the air conditioner unit. Step 3. Position and secure the AC unit. This step requires 2 people. AC units are heavy, and balancing them in an open window is tricky. Carefully lift the AC unit into the window and rest it on the bottom frame. Center it so it sits evenly. Make sure the unit's bottom guide is flush against the windowsill. Lower the top window sash onto the air conditioner to hold it in place. Use screws to secure the AC to the window sash. Always follow the manufacturer's instructions. Pro tip: use a power drill to pre-drill holes before inserting screws into wooden window frames. That prevents splitting and makes installation smoother. Step 4. Seal the gaps and insulate for efficiency. Extend the accordion panels to fill the gaps on both sides of the unit. Secure the side panels with screws. Use foam insulation strips, usually included, to seal the space between the top and bottom window sashes. If needed, use extra weather stripping to block any small gaps. Pro tip: want an even better seal? Use non-adhesive foam strips to fill tiny cracks and prevent air leaks. Step 5. Power up and test your AC unit. Plug the unit into a grounded outlet. Avoid using an extension cord. Turn it on and set it to your desired temperature. Adjust fan speed and cooling settings for maximum comfort. Double check for leaks. If you feel warm air seeping in, reseal any gaps. Installing a portable AC? Here's how. Position the unit near a window and power outlet. Cut foam weather stripping and attach it to the window frame for insulation. Extend the vent hose and insert it into the window panel. Secure the vent panel in the window opening. Plug in, power on, and enjoy. Extra tips for a smooth installation: keep the area clear. Remove anything inside or outside that might block airflow. Clean the air filter regularly to maintain efficiency and prevent dust buildup. Use a window lock to prevent accidental opening. If your AC unit has a heating option, you can use it in the winter to stay cozy. So, installing a window AC unit is a simple DIY project that gives you instant relief from the heat. Just measure carefully, secure the unit properly, and seal the gaps for the best performance. Outrow: need a new AC unit, support bracket, or insulation materials? The trade table has everything you need to keep your home cool and comfortable all year long.